So the ancients and the shamans in South America that have sent me up here this time with the eagle and the condor prophecy said a simple message. If every person that hears about Aini, our foundation, went to PayPal and donated some money, it would be taking immediate action, and this project to preserve Vilcabamba Valley and the rainforest would be done. And everybody would benefit from it because it's an energetic exchange. They're helping with doing something positive in the world and leaving a legacy, whatever age they are, to help the rainforest. And the plan is to, once the funding is received, that I would go with all the chiefs to see the president of Ecuador. And the people of Ecuador are just waiting for this to happen. Making Vilcabamba as one of their national treasures, like the Galapagos, into a World Heritage Park. And the rainforest through an absolutely magical healing tool called a Tagua nut massage tool. It's a product that falls, it's a nut that falls down from a palm tree in the rainforest, and these are alive. And they're rotting on the ground right now, all over the rainforest in Ecuador. And our plan is to massage the president of Ecuador and say, Presidente, here's how you can preserve the rainforest. And they're alive, these tools. And the shamans have been using these for thousands of years, the raw nuts themselves. So it's a sustainable product that can give and will give jobs to the local people and preserve their land, instead of having the trees cut down. And right now, I just heard a message 2 days ago from one of our donors. Ecuador had said a couple years ago, when they made a new constitution to honor the rights of Mother Nature and honor the rights of the indigenous people to their land and culture, that they needed help from the world. If they were not going to extract the oil from the rainforest, then they needed the countries in the world to help them financially to make up that difference of money for their people. And what happened was, whatever countries offered to help with this didn't do it. And now they have signed, the Ecuadorian government said, okay, well, we're going to have to sign some oil leases in the southern part of Ecuador. So my message to all of you is, help our foundation so that we can help the people of Ecuador, the rainforest, preserve this valley of longevity for the world, and make this a model project for all of humanity.